Well, I'm done planting my seed. Now I get to get some fence for the animals. Dag nabbit, I only got $500 for the fence. Better call up some eggheads. Hello? You, a farmer, need my help? Well, I suppose I should humor myself once in a while. Very well. Cheerio.
Yeah, sure, dude. Let me finish this file for my Calc 130 class, and I'll be right over.
Greetings. I am Charles Boatwright Pennington III, PhD, MD, Esquire, Major General. I shall assist you with this most trivial of issues.
Charlie, got it.
Hey, I'm James Brown. I'm a math major at the community college.
You are a maths major? Well, I am a Major General. In fact,
I am the very mortal locomotive Major General. I'm information, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I know the kings of England, and I quote the bite historical from marathon to Waterloo or the categorical. I am very well acquainted with mathematical. I understand equations, both the simple and quadratical. About binomial theorem, I am teeming with a lot of news, with many cheerful facts about the square of the hypotenuse. I am very good at integral and differential calculus. I know the scientific names of beings and calculus. In short, in matters vegetable, animal, and mineral, I am the very model of a model Major General!
Okay then. I'm trying to maximize the area of my rectangular plot, and I have $500 to spend, and the fence is $5 per foot. I'm trying to build along the silos on my property, so I don't need to build a fence on one side. Which dimension should I choose?
well, of course, I know the answer. I've published numerous theses, calculated artillery coordinates in my head, and had tea with all of Leibniz and Newton's descendants.
Well, last Saturday night I played Smash Bros. And ate nachos. So,
Given that all I've accomplished, it should take me 2 seconds to calculate the answer. Let's see. Your width should be 30, and your length should be 40 of proper imperial feet.
well, that's definitely not right.
And how would you know, boy?
I'll show you.
The farmer is attempting to maximize the size of the rectangular plot. He has $500 to spend on the fence and wants the largest size for his money. He plans to spend the fence along the silos of his property, so he doesn't need to build a fence on that side. The fence costs $5 a foot. What dimension should he choose? Silos on the left, the widths are the top and bottom, and the length is on the right. So we're going to use area equals length times width. This cost is proportional in this situation, so cost is equal to length times the price plus 2 times the width times the price. This is 2 widths. Since our cost is 500, let's set it to 500 equals to length times $5 a foot, so 5 feet times 2 width, so times 5. So 500 is equal to 5L plus 10W. Now I'm going to solve for length. So we subtract 10W on both sides to get 500 minus 10W is equal to 5L. Divide 5 on both sides. Length is equal to 100 minus 2W. I go back to our original equation of area is equal to length times width. So I substitute our length, 100 minus 2W times the width. So area is equal to 100W minus 2W squared. Now we find the derivative of area. Area is equal to 100 minus 4W.
Ah, yes, the derivative.
So you set that equal to 0. 100 minus 4W, solve for W. So 4W is equal to 100. And W is equal to 25. Now we got to go back so we can find the length. So 100 minus 2 times 25, 100 minus 50. The length is 50 feet. So length is 25 feet, length is 50 feet. And that's the answer.
I gotta admit, I'm pretty impressed. What do you got to say, Mr. Fancy Smanchy Major General Charlie?
I must acquiesce. That was an imposing display. Perhaps my arrogance was my hamartia. Oh Oedipus, oh Hamlet, oh Davy Jones. I know thy folly.
Anyways, I got a fence to build. Thanks, James, and thanks, Charlie.
3 weeks later.
Now when it comes to painting it a different color, I'm on the fence.
Life, information, vegetable, animal, and mineral. I know the kings of England and I quote the Pike's historical from Marathon to Waterloo in order categorical. I'm very well acquainted too with matters mathematical. I understand equations both simple and quadratical. About binomial theorem, I'm teeming with a lot of news. Ooh, lot of news, lot of news. Got it. With many careful facts about the square of the hypotenuse. Very good at integral and differential calculus. I know the scientific names of beings and animalculous. In short, it matters vegetable, animal, and mineral. I am the very model of a modern major general.
About to get attacked by some stuff.
World Star.
World Star.
But you should go over there.
He said no.
No.
Let's Mr. Everett.
I say, please. Stop. Stop. Look at me. Look at me. Hey. You're eating dirt.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there.
How would you know,
the prince of a town
boy?
called Bel Air.
I'll definitely show you. No.
In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all
I can't do this
cheap.
anymore.
All outside of school when
Wheels up to over.
Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I whistled for a cab and when it came near, the license plate said freshen it and dice in the mirror.
I am the very mortal locomotive Major General. I'm information vegetable animal and mineral. I know the king's healing and I quote historical from Marathon to Waterloo in order categorical. I am very well acquainted with Miles mathematical. I understand equations for the simple and chargeable. Blah, blah.
Got the basics.